Welcome back to Nuanza Art, where beautiful design meets inspiring spaces. In today's video, we're going to take you deep into the heart of nature, to a place where tranquility, simplicity, and elegance converge. A small stone house tucked away in a serene setting, complete with its own private courtyard garden. This home is more than just a structure. It's a retreat, a lifestyle, and a work of art that blend harmoniously with its natural surroundings. If you're someone who dreams of escaping the noise, reconnecting with nature, or simply gathering ideas for your own home project, this is a tour you don't want to miss. Make sure to subscribe to Nuanza Art, like this video if you enjoy peaceful home designs, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite feature from today's tour. Let's step into a place where nature and design breathe together. Stone has been used in architecture for thousands of years, and for good reason. In this charming little home, stone is not just a building material, it's a character in the story. With walls built from locally sourced stone, the house exudes timelessness and strength. Every surface is textured with history, giving the space a grounded, authentic feel. The muted tones of gray and beige blend seamlessly with the landscape, creating a natural camouflage that's both elegant and discreet. The home doesn't scream for attention, it whispers, inviting visitors to slow down and look closely. Inside, the coolness of stone helps regulate the temperature, making it refreshingly pleasant in warm weather. It's low maintenance, environmentally friendly, and wonderfully durable. But beyond all that, this stone house carries a rustic charm that makes it feel like it's always been there, and always will be. Small doesn't mean limited. In fact, this house proves that when done right, compact living can be deeply satisfying. The interior is thoughtfully designed with multifunctional furniture, clever storage solutions, and an open layout that makes the space feel much larger than it actually is. Wooden beams across the ceiling add warmth and contrast beautifully against the stone walls, while large windows bring in an abundance of natural light. The color palette is intentionally neutral, soft creams, earthy browns, and touches of green, all of which echo the natural world outside. Every inch of space is used wisely. From the cozy built-in seating to the space-saving kitchen layout, nothing is wasted. The small scale of the home fosters intimacy, connection, and peace. It's a reminder that sometimes the more you let go of, the more room you make for joy. Step through a humble wooden door, and you'll find yourself in a secret sanctuary, a private courtyard garden hidden away from the world. Surrounded by high stone walls, this intimate space feels like an outdoor room, a living part of the home. It's lush with greenery, from creeping vines and fragrant herbs to small fruit trees and flowering shrubs. A gravel path winds through the garden, leading to a small bench where one can sit and listen to the birds or read a book under the dappled light. The garden is designed not just for beauty, but for interaction. There's a small herb patch near the kitchen window, perfect for plucking fresh mint or basil while cooking. A water feature adds gentle sound and movement, making the space feel alive. It's private, peaceful, and utterly magical, a dream come true for nature lovers and introverts alike. One of the most striking features of this home is how effortlessly it blurs the line between indoors and outdoors. Large French doors open directly from the living room into the courtyard, allowing fresh air and soft light to flood the interior. The flow between the spaces encourages a lifestyle that embraces nature as a part of daily living. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with birds chirping just a few feet away, or enjoying dinner in the courtyard under string lights and stars. Even from inside, the views of greenery provide a sense of openness and peace. Interior decor borrows from the garden palette, natural wood furniture, leafy prints, and soft textures. Everything inside reflects what's outside. It's not just design, it's philosophy. Living in this house means being present with nature, even when you're curled up on the sofa. This little stone home isn't just for living, it's for being. The peaceful surroundings and minimalist interior make it the perfect space for reflection, creativity, and mindfulness. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or someone seeking spiritual grounding, the house offers a kind of quiet that invites deep thought. The courtyard, with its calming greenery, becomes a meditative zone, ideal for morning yoga, sketching sessions, or quiet journaling. Inside, the lack of clutter and distraction allows the mind to settle. Every object in the house is intentional, handpicked not just for function, but for beauty and simplicity. It's a space where the soul can stretch and breathe. For those overwhelmed by the chaos of city life, this stone house serves as a reminder: slowing down isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Living with nature also means living for nature, and this house embraces sustainable living without compromise. The stone construction provides natural insulation, reducing the need for heating and cooling. Rainwater is collected and reused in the garden, and solar panels discreetly placed on the roof provide renewable energy. Inside, the use of reclaimed wood and vintage furniture not only adds charm but also reduces environmental impact. The courtyard garden isn't just decorative, it supports biodiversity and offers a small but thriving ecosystem. Even the choice of plants is intentional, with native and drought-resistant species requiring minimal maintenance. The homeowners have created a space that respects the land it stands on. Sustainability here isn't a trend. It's a way of life embedded in every brick and bloom. In a world that often values speed and scale, this small stone house offers a different rhythm. Life here is slower, more deliberate. It's about savoring the morning sunlight as it spills across a stone floor, feeling the texture of aged walls under your fingertips, or harvesting a handful of rosemary before preparing a meal. It's about real conversations, quiet evenings, and meaningful moments. The courtyard garden becomes the stage for life's simplest pleasures, children playing, friends gathering, or silent reflection. There's no excess here, only essence. It's a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being over busyness, quality over quantity. Every detail, every material, every corner of this home is designed to support a life well-lived, grounded, connected, and full of joy. You might be wondering how to bring a bit of this stone house magic into your own home, even if you live in a city apartment or a modern suburban house. The principles behind this design are adaptable and universal. Think natural materials, stone, wood, clay. Create a small green space, even if it's just a few potted plants on a balcony or a vertical garden on a wall. Use neutral, earthy tones and embrace simplicity in your decor. Maximize natural light and bring the outside in with large windows or mirrors that reflect greenery. Most importantly, design with intention. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel in my home? Let that question guide every decision. Whether or not you have a secret courtyard, you can create a sanctuary that nurtures your soul and brings you closer to nature. small stone house with its secret courtyard garden isn't just a fantasy. It's a vision of what's possible when architecture and nature come together with purpose and care. It's a place that proves beauty doesn't have to be big, and that serenity can be found in the simplest of spaces. Whether you're here for design ideas, lifestyle inspiration, or just a calming visual escape, we hope this tour has filled your mind with fresh perspectives and peaceful thoughts. If you enjoyed this journey, please like the video, subscribe to Nuansa Art for more dream-worthy designs, and leave a comment sharing what part of the house or garden inspired you most. Until next time, stay creative, stay connected to nature, and keep imagining your perfect space. Thanks for watching.